Good morning out there. Well, the adventure has started. We just left the house about 2 miles ago, and we are on our way to first Sharbot Lake, Ontario, which is eastern Ontario, until Tuesday, and then we leave for Alaska through Sault Ste. Marie, out across the UP of Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana, and then turn north, enter Canada at Coates, Alberta, and so we look forward to a trip. Hopefully I can post some videos along the way, show you some of the fantastic scenes that are out there. For those of you that are new to the channel, a little bit of explanation. 2 years ago, when we went out west, I started a Facebook closed group called Roaming Rosie, and Rosie was named for the truck. And then this year I decided to start a YouTube channel, actually last fall, and when I went to form the group on YouTube, turns out there was already a Roman Rosie, and decided that the two names are too close together. So I asked what we should name it, and we come up with the name Seymour, and that seemed okay. And last year at Christmas, I received a bobblehead of Snoopy in a Santa Claus outfit as a gag gift on a white elephant gift at a Christmas party for our church. And we decided then later this spring that we renamed Snoopy. We renamed him Seymour, S-E-E-M-O-O-R. So that's why the channel is named Seymour Rosie. For this trip, our son Matthew and his daughter Sarah were going to be joining us, and they got a later start than what we did, leaving Lancaster County. But here they are passing us. The speed limit is 65, and that's what my cruise control set at. And here in a little bit, you're going to see my granddaughter is no longer doing 65. Enjoy. We've stayed at Loon's Nest on Sherbet Lake. That's a cottage here on Sherbet Lake for about 15 years or so. And this year, the neighbor to the Loon's Nest, Rick, graciously agreed to let us park our travel trailer, Boondock, in his lot right next to the Loon's Nest, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Enjoy this view, a boat tour of Sherbet Lake. At times I will speed up the video 4 times so that it just doesn't take quite as long. I can still show you much of the lake, so enjoy the view. here we are arriving back at the Loon's Nest, a cottage, like I said, we've been staying at about 15 years, and I've got about 40 years of worth of history on Sherbet Lake, just a beautiful body of water. And I've got a couple scenes coming up here. One is Monday evening, the evening before we leave, and the other is Tuesday morning and the sunrise, which is always absolutely gorgeous here at Sherbet Lake. Hope you enjoyed this video of our first leg of our journey to Alaska. Please subscribe and save, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks for watching.